Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Naseer Sikandar, Director Physical Education, Government Degree College, Kazi, Ahmed, District Shahid Benadirabad. Today we are going to study chapter number 3, Aims and Objectives of Physical Education, and the topic Physical Development for classes B.Sc. The physical development. As far as the definition of physical development is concerned, it refers to a process which brings the progressive changes in the external as well as internal organs of the children, and also the physical growth from birth to adulthood. The physical changes occur in the following dimensions. Changes in gross physical structure means lengthening in the body organs age-wise, and also changes in the internal organs as well. The characteristics of physical development. Physical development is very rapid during infancy, which starts from the ages 0 to 2 years. Number 2, period of pre-childhood, which starts from the ages 3 to 6 years. It is also termed as period of fixation. Number that, middle childhood. They start from the ages 7 to 9 years, which shows again the period of growth and development. Later on, childhood. Childhood basically starts from the ages 10 to 13 years. It is again the period of fixation. Early adolescence, which starts from first 3 years, which is again a period of rapid growth and development. In early adolescence, it is obviously followed by a period of slow growth among children. And finally, the physical growth ceases by the attainment of maturity. The factors influencing physical development. Number 1. Heredity development depends upon the potential the child gets from his parents. Nutrition, the nutrition the child gets before birth and after birth, which affects his development as well. Number 3. Immunization at the proper time saves the child from diseases. This also helps the child to grow properly. Proper ventilation means sunlight and pure air helps in good body development as well. Endocrine gland hormones help in the development of the child. Prenatal period of health of a mother and her nutrition, immunization, her mental state affect the baby inside the womb. Family, where the development of the baby takes place directly affects the development of the child. Sex difference at the time of birth, the rate of physical development is more, but it is difficult in boys and girls. Intelligence, it also seen that intelligence touches the physical development of the children. Socioeconomic status, the socioeconomic status of the children of all ages can affect the all-round development of the child. The educational significance of physical development of an individual. The physical development influences the total makeup of an individual and also the balanced functioning of the body system, which depends on the balanced physical growth and development. And the knowledge of the process of the physical growth and development helps the teacher to achieve the educational processes. Body system decides the interests, attitudes, and the total behavior of an individual. The study of the pattern of the physical growth and development helps the teacher from knowing what can be expected from the child at the particular age level. It also helps the teacher to arrange the college physical activity program as well. Thank you.